Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. So in the news today, we have Visa filing for a patent for digital currency. I posted something on Facebook some months ago. I'm like, if you have some paper currency, cash, take some in different denomination, maybe $100 or 1,000 naira, whatever. Take some and just save them in a very safe place because you need them to show your kids. This generation will be the last to depend or totally use physical kind of money every single day. Now, Visa as a company is filing for application for digital currency. This just goes to tell you or to let you know that, hey, if you've not started thinking about investing in cryptocurrency, you should start. All these things are giving huge plus and accreditation to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Right? So if you don't have any other reason to believe that digital currency is the future, I think this is one of them. Right? So what I'll do is I'll drop this article so you guys can read it out. It's very very bullish, right? And guess what? They are going to be building it on Ethereum. I did a video about Ethereum. You guys can check it out. The title of that video is I think it's the reason why Ethereum will hit $2,000. I did a very simple analysis so you can check it out. Now, next up in the news is China officially recognizes blockchain jobs as new occupation. Guys, this bull run that we're talking about is officially getting closer than you think. Now, in China, it is now officially recognized that blockchain is an occupation. In watch video I posted yesterday or 2 days ago, I talked about, I said when banks start telling you can keep your money in the banks, sorry, you can keep your crypto in the bank, just know it's too late for you to start buying. Right? So blockchain is now an official occupation in China. You see? So if you've never maybe started thinking about how blockchain connects to your job, how blockchain connects to the course you're studying in school, you're already behind schedule. I'm telling you. So start reading about the different blockchains that we have. Alright, so next up in the news. And now this one is from a very popular company, Samsung. Samsung has been in the news when it comes to blockchain powered mobile phones. And let's read this one. Blockchain powered 5G 5G phone manufactured by Samsung launches. SK Telecom released the world's first 5G phone with a blockchain powered ID authentication service incorporated. Guys, blockchain is the future, right? Blockchain is the future. You guys can read this article for yourself. Also, HTC announced a phone in April that would have the option of mining Monero. See, if you don't buy cryptocurrencies, there's something called dollar cost averaging. I did a video on that, on how Bitcoin is my new piggy bank. If you've not watched that video, make sure you watch it. And if you've not, if you can't find it, it will pop up at the top of the screen. Make sure you watch it out. Watch that video, right? Cryptocurrencies, if you, I don't know how best to explain these things, mostly to people in Africa, because there are a lot of poor people in Africa, and what can get these guys out of poverty is just knowledge about cryptocurrency. A lot of people, millions and billions of people around the world, still don't know what cryptocurrency is, right? So I did an analysis about Ethereum, how Ethereum grew from $10 per coin to over $1,400 per coin. If you're a poor person, you don't need to get a job to become rich in the future. There are really cheap cryptocurrencies out there you can buy that could make you a millionaire in the future. If you want to know them, my WhatsApp number will be in the description. Just hit me up, right? I'm going to fill you in. Right, so moving forward, BlockOne as a company just recently announced that they will start voting in the EOS community. Now, just in case you don't know what this voting is all about, in blockchain there are two types of consensus algorithm. Actually, there are more, but the three most popular, I think that it's divided into two, not three, but some people say it's three. So let's work with three. There are three most popular consensus algorithms. There's a proof of work, which is used by Bitcoin and the current Ethereum. There's a proof of stake. That is where Ethereum is moving to, because proof of work doesn't just fit for the modern world. Then there's delegated proof of stake. Now, in proof of stake, I see proof of stake to be a little bit more centralized because the community don't have a say, right? If you have one Ethereum, you actually don't have a say in the network. All you have to do is delegate that Ethereum to someone else. But in delegated proof of stake, everybody in the community has a say. So assuming we have 2 block producers or 2 miners or 2 validators on the EOS or any DPoS blockchain, and then block producer 1 has 999, or let's say 99 votes, right? And this other block producer has 99 votes. The only difference that would make block producer A higher than block producer B is if one random person from the community decides to vote with his token. But that can work on Ethereum, on proof of stake. That can work on proof of course, in proof of work, the community don't have a say in the network, right? So now EOS uses a delegated proof of stake consensus algorithm that enables anyone that has a token in the network to vote. So you have a say in the network. Now, BlockOne, which is a company that built the EOS IO software and also EOS, that's where EOS comes from, will begin voting on the EOS IO, on the EOS network, right, which is the main chain. And so this is the voting requirements. The general location of the node has to be disclosed publicly through the BP.json file, independently operating an API or P2P node that is publicly queryable. The API or P2P node is running EOS IO version 2 or greater, right? So there are several versions of, and I need to actually give accolades to the BlockOne company. They've really been doing a good job. You know, in the last bear market, when different startups or different crypto companies were busy laying off staffs, BlockOne was busy hiring a lot of people, and they're doing an amazing job. Now, just in case you're wondering how you could vote in the EOS IO network, all you need to do is, of course, have some EOS tokens, and you log in through Scatter. I have Scatter. I can log in with there are several ways to log in, though, just in case you don't know how to log in. I'll do another video for that. So once you log in, I think I have a video. I have a video about Scatter. Maybe I'll drop the link so you guys can check it out. And then choose any of these block producers that you want to vote for, right? So of course, when you're voting, don't forget to add EOS Nation to your vote. Add EOS Nation. These guys have done a really good job in Africa. They've really done a good job in Africa in trying to educate Africans about crypto. Not just Africans, they have ambassadors around the world. Now, oh yeah, around the world. Yeah, I'm very serious. Right, I would recommend a few. EOS Nation, let's say, let's see. Meet One. I know we've not seen Meet One, but just in case you can search for them. Let's see. EOS Cafe. Yeah, really good. EOS Authority. Grey Mass. Cyberglass. These are really rich block producers. EOS Dark, right? Those guys are really contributing a lot to the community. All right, guys. So that's all I have for you today. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. You find it really educating. See ya.